With Omicron cases continuing to spread virtually like a wildfire, Australia has now said that it has surpassed the grim milestone of 1 million COVID-19 infections, with more than half of them having been recorded in just the last week. With New South Wales and Victoria reporting more than 55 new cases between them, the total number of COVID-19 infections in Australia has now touched 1.03 million. Now, other states are yet to share their data. The country, meanwhile, has reported about 2,400 COVID-related deaths so far. However, the hospitalizations are less in comparison with the previous waves.
Omicron is a gear change, and we have to push through. That's what Omicron is about. We're dealing with serious volumes of cases, but we are not seeing the same impact proportionally from previous variants in terms of the impact on hospitalisations, ICU and ventilated patients.
Now, with strict border rules in place and also a tight lockdown having been imposed, Australia was able to curb the spread of the virus in the first and the second wave. But with the emergence of the very fast-spreading Omicron variant, the country is now facing record surges in terms of the number of COVID-19 cases. Authorities are now slowly bringing back the virus curves to slow the spread of the virus. Australia has also started to vaccinate its 2.3 million children between the age group of 5 to 11 years. The country has fully vaccinated 92% of its adult population. Despite the latest surge, the Australian authorities have now decided to reduce the isolation period from under the latest guidelines from about 10 to 7. It's also narrowed the definition of close contacts as well, and all of these are guidelines that have now been issued at a time when Australia is experiencing a record surge in the number of COVID-19 infections. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.